Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Today I have some Happy Mail. This is coming all the way from the Netherlands. This is from Nicole Silhouettes. I did place an order on her her Etsy shop, you guys. I will share right here. It says designed by Nicole Silhouettes. Super cute. Thank you so much for your order. I ordered a few of her pins and I don't even remember. I don't remember because I've been preoccupied with a few other things going on personally. Oh my gosh, look at this cute little box. Can you guys see her box? That is so cute. Oh my gosh. Sorry for the wiggle jiggle. But it's so cute. Nicole, this is so cute. Designed and sent with love by Nicole. Thank you so much for your order. This is the sweetest, cutest little sticker. Oh my gosh. Let me, it's so sweet. I don't want to rip her sticker. I'll rip the tissue. I don't want to rip her sticker. Anyways, look at this. Thank you. Your order made my day. I hope these goodies will brighten yours. Aw, thank you, Nicole. And let's see. Oh, she put stickers in. How cute. Oh my God, Nicole. Look at these. Oh my God, you guys. These are so pretty. Oh my goodness. Check her out. There you go, Nicole. Paper Crafts. Nicole's Paper Crafts on Instagram. And Nicole Silhouette on YouTube. So pretty. And her Etsy shop. Excuse me. Yes, you're so welcome. Oh my gosh, Nicole, you are so welcome. She just wrote her little note. I totally forgot to look in the back. Big hugs, Nicole. You're so sweet. Oh, look at the little fun heart confettis. How pretty. Oh my gosh. How cute. Okay, so we got the little sewing machine. And we got the little squeezy punch. Oh my goodness. How adorable the scissors. Yee! The glue bottle. Yay, yay. The ink pads. Oh my gosh, you guys gotta see this. I know I've showed this before, but this is a repurchase and I always still get excited. Look at how pretty that, oh, so shiny. It's designed by Nicole Silhouettes, and you open it up and you can feel the ink pad, the glitter on there, and it doesn't come off. So pretty. You could really feel it. And it just says, ink it twice to make it nice. Don't you just love it? Look at her little rubber stoppers. Oh my God, Nicole, this is gorgeous. So pretty. I can't get over it. And then the last one is our little Born to Craft die cutting machine. I gotta show it again. I don't care. It says create, and you have the little butterfly on the cutting mat. And there's the little body for the layering piece. It's so, oh my gosh, it's so exact. Isn't that beautiful? And all the glitter. How pretty. You guys, you really need to get this in your hands to really appreciate it. How beautiful these are. Oh my gosh. And then she sent me, oh no, I ordered one. This is a second one. So this is her little hanger. Let me show you. I have mine displayed already. And here are the little leggy things. I think she said one is for me, one extra one. She felt bad. I broke it. It was at no fault of Nicole that it broke. It was my own, Brutus self. Like I just couldn't, I wasn't patient enough. And so I forced it. Okay, and then these are the hangers. And you get 8 of the hangers. Nicole, this is gorgeous. Let me grab my hanger display and I can show you what it looks like. guys, I feel bad because I haven't put anything on it because I'm just trying to appreciate the whole thing by itself. It's so pretty. Look at the hanger. And it's not busted. I just literally glued it in there. Look at this hanger. Isn't it gorgeous? I love it. The whole display is beautiful. I have to put some dangles on here. As a matter of fact, hold on again. And I'm just grabbing the earrings that I made in a project, an earlier project, and it's so pretty. I used these beads from Happy Crafter Shop, and I made little earrings. I also gifted some. Oh my gosh, look at how cute that is. Oh, that's so pretty. So yes, I did get another stand, and that is a gift, guys. It's a secret. It's not really a secret, but I'm saying it's a secret. But it's so hard to show you how this looks. It's so pretty hanging on here. I really need to hang up let me grab my other earrings. I made another style of earrings. I'm going to take this off. And these are my hot glue earrings. I made these with hot glue sticks, a little Mickey head. I don't know how well they would travel if I ever sent it in the mail because I'm too nervous to send someone. Like, yeah, I'm sending you earrings. They're made of hot glue. But look at how cute. Isn't that pretty? Just like that. I love it. I'm going to keep it on that hanger. And I have another one. This is actually a dangle, also with hot glue. Except, I don't know if I can hang it on these. I don't think I can. Yeah. The hanger part, it won't go through. I would need a jump ring to go through. Yeah, that'll break. Let's not break any more things, Eileen. And then these, I just put the jump rings on there. They're ready to use, but yeah, that's all I got for now. So cute. I would make more. I would definitely make more now that I see the little hanger doohickeys. They look so cute. Anywho, this is my order. I hope you guys go check out Nicole. I'll leave her links in the description box down below. And just let her know I sent you. And I'll see you all on the next one. If you're new here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button and join our crafty family. It's free. Hit the notification bell in case you want to know when I load another video. And thumbs up the video. Hey! Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.